Every time you order online, a supply chain network works behind the scene. And today, companies are struggling to find professionals who can manage it. At Vivekanand Business School, Mumbai, we prepare students for exactly this high-demand career in operation and supply chain management. I am Dr. Anupama Tiwari, faculty for this specialization at VBS. Operation today is no longer limited to factories or warehouses. It sits at the heart of e-commerce, manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and global trade. Organization needs professionals who can plan, optimize, analyze, and execute, not just follow processes. That is why our PGDM in Operation and Supply Chain is designed to be deeply industry aligned and execution focused. What truly differentiates this program is our 15:9 structure. 15 months of rigorous academic learning followed by a 9-month domain-specific internship. This ensures that students don't graduate with theoretical knowledge alone, but with hands-on operational experience inside real organization. Throughout the program, students work on live operational challenges, supply chain and operation analytics, ERP-driven decision-making, simulation tools such as Flexim, and digital technologies that are reshaping modern supply chain. Every concept taught in classroom is applied to real business scenarios. To further strengthen employability, students earn industry-recognized certification such as CAPM from PMI and Green Six Sigma, skills that are highly valued across manufacturing, e-commerce, retail, logistics, and consulting organizations. Our students also gain global exposure through an international immersion in Malaysia and industry visit in Dubai, giving them practical insight into international logistics, cross-border supply chain, and global operation excellence. This global learning is further strengthened through an international scholarship awarded to 25 meritorious students. As a result, our graduates build careers in operations, procurement, supply chain planning, logistics, and analytics with organizations such as Amazon, Flipkart, Accenture, Reliance, Cognizant, GEP, and leading manufacturing and logistic firms. If you are looking for a stable, high-growth career where your decision directly impact cost, efficiency, and business performance, the PGDM in Operation and Supply Chain Management at Vivekanand Business School is designed right for you. Admissions are now open. Apply now.